Okay, children, very good morning. In yesterday class, we discussed about the algae, especially based on the pigment. Algae is mainly divided into three groups. The first one you can say chlorophyceae. Okay, chlorophyceae, 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 chlorophyceae. Okay, chlorophyceae, which is also called green algae. తర్వాత second phaeophyceae, phaeophyceae, which is called brown algae. Next rhodophyceae, rhodophyceae, which is called red algae. So chlorophyceae. But what are the examples to the chlorophyceae? If you see chlorophyceae, which is also called green algae, but what are the example to the chlorophyceae? You can see especially chlorophyceae examples. This is the chlamydomonas plant. This is the chlamydomonas. This is the first one, chlorophyceae. Okay, chlamydomonas. This is the chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. This is the chlamydomonas. Next, this is the wallbox. Wallbox. Chlamydomonas, which is microscopic algae. Wallbox, which is colonial. Next, Chara. This is the Chara. Chara. Okay. This is the chlamydomonas. This is the wallbox. This is the Chara. Coming to the phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae. Okay, especially in phaeophyceae, this is the laminaria. This is the laminaria. Okay, this is the laminaria. This is the laminaria. Laminaria. This is the fucus. This is the fucus. Laminaria, fucus. This is the dictyota. Okay, this is the dictyota. Okay, laminaria, fucus, dictyota. Okay. Next, now coming to the rhodophyceae, which is called red algae. The rhodophyceae, you can see this is the Porphyra. Porphyra, and this is the Polysiphonia. 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 Okay, these are the examples. These are the diagrams of some of the algae, especially in chlorophyceae. This is the chlamydomonas. This is the wallbox. This is the Chara. Next, in the phaeophyceae, this is the laminaria, fucus, dictyota. In rhodophyceae, this is the Porphyra, Polysiphonia. Okay, so these are the some of the important diagrams which are related to algae. Okay, now one of the important table is there now. So you can see divisions of algae and their main characteristics. Divisions of algae. Next topic, next important one. Divisions of algae. Divisions of algae. Divisions of algae and their main characteristics. Divisions of algae and their main characteristics. First, class. What is the class? Okay, class. Class after common name. Common name. Class after common name. Class after common name. Okay, common name after pigment, or what type of the pigment is there? Okay, pigment. pigment. Pigment after, but what is the cell wall? Whatever cell wall? Cell wall is made up of which type of the material? Cell wall. Cell wall after stored food. How they can store food? Stored food. Stored food. How they can store the food? In which forms they can store the food? Okay, this is the from the important table. Okay, divisions of algae. Okay, divisions of algae. Divisions of algae. Okay, divisions of algae. See here, divisions of algae. Class first chlorophyceae. Chlorophyceae. First. Second one, Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae. Next, Rhodophyceae. Okay, Rhodophyceae. First, Chlorophyceae. What is the common name of Chlorophyceae? Green algae. Green algae. What is the common name of Rhodophyceae? Brown algae. Brown algae. What is the common name of Rhodophyceae? Red algae. Rhodophyceae. Red algae. Rhodophyceae. Red algae. Pigment. What is the pigment present in Chlorophyceae? Especially chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll A, B. What is the pigment present here? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and carotenoids, xanthophylls. Carotenoids and xanthophylls. Xanthophylls. Carotenoids and xanthophylls. So what is the pigment present in Rhodophyceae? Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, and phycoerythrin. 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 Okay, but what is the cell wall? Chlorophyceae. The cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. Cellulose and pectin. What about in Phaeophyceae? Cell wall is made up of cellulose and algin. What about Rhodophyceae? Rhodophyceae, the cell wall is made up of cellulose and pectin. And what about the stored food? In Chlorophyceae, the food is stored in starch. Then what about Phaeophyceae? The food is stored in laminarin and monitor. Laminarin and monitor. Then what about the Rhodophyceae? The reserve food is stored in the form of Floridian starch. Floridian starch. Okay, so this is about the information, divisions of the algae. Okay, so this is about the one of the important characters of these algae. You can see class, common name, pigment, cell wall, stored food. Suppose if you see Chlorophyceae, common name is green algae, pigment present chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, cell wall is cellulose and pectin, stored food is starch. Now coming to Phaeophyceae, in this Phaeophyceae, common name brown algae, pigment chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and carotenoids, xanthophylls. Mari, what is the cell wall? Cell wall is made up of cellulose and algin. What is the reservoir food? Laminarin and monitor. Now, rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae common name red algae. Pigments chlorophyll A, chlorophyll D, phycoerythrin. What is the cell wall made up of? Cellulose and pectin. And what is the reservoir food? Fluoridium starch. So this total information which you arrange in the form of a table. So this table shows characteristic features of algae and their types. Okay. By reading this table, you should know everything. What about chlorophyceae characters? What about phaeophyceae characters? What about rhodophyceae characters? Everything you came to know by reminding the table. Okay. Next, Nani. But here, chlorophyceae examples. Once you can see what are the examples of the chlorophyceae. One is Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas. Second, Volvox. Chlamydomonas, Volvox, and Urothrix. Urothrix, Spirogyra, and Chara. These are the examples of the chlorophyceae. One is Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Chara, Urothrix, Spirogyra. What are the examples to the phaeophyceae? For phaeophyceae examples, what are the examples to the phaeophyceae? Best Ectocarpus, Fucus, Dictyota, Laminaria, Sargassum. Okay. Laminaria, Sargassum. But what are the examples to the rhodophyceae? 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 Especially the rhodophyceae examples, especially you can see one is you can see here Porphyra polysyphonia. Okay, Porphyra polysyphonia. Second one polysyphonia. Third one Gelidium. Fourth one Gracilaria. Okay, these are the examples of the rhodophyceae. One is Porphyra, second one polysyphonia, third one Gelidium, fourth one Gracilaria. One more thing here, you can see the structures of some of the algae. The first three diagrams, these are the chlorophyceae. Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Chara. These three are chlorophyceae. Second three diagrams, these three are phaeophyceae diagrams. One is Laminaria, Fucus, Dictyota. Okay. These remaining two diagrams are belongs to rhodophyceae. One is Porphyra, this one is polysyphonia. Okay, Nani. So these are the information. This is about the information with the diagrams. So far we completed detailed information of the algae. In yesterday class we completed classification of the algae, characters of the algae. Today we completed with the diagrammatical explanation of some examples of the algae, chlorophyces and diagrams are drawn. Rhodophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae. So that is a table. The table gives information about the classification of algae. What is the class? What is the common name? What about the pigment? What about the cell wall? What about the stored food? And so far I written here examples to each and every class. Chlorophyceae examples are written, Phaeophyceae examples and Rhodophyceae examples. So, okay, this is about the complete information of algae. In tomorrow class, we will discuss about the bryophyta. Okay, thank you children.